we're just trying to get on with the day because life still goes on. And yeah, we basically had to make a good decision for him, and he's gonna be well taken care of. You guys,
You're gonna die.
our lives just changed forever. We yeah, we just had to part with one of our dogs, and it's been a long time in the making. I think I've dropped subtle hints here and there in the vlogs where I've talked about it, but I didn't talk about it in depth. And yeah, it's just really hard. It just happened. We just said our last goodbyes, and it didn't really film it. I'm filming it now because Aaron is still with him and the people, but there were some tears shed, and it's just a very, very tough decision, especially when you've had your dog for so long, when you've had him since he was like 6 weeks old. So yeah, that's what's up right now.
I was trying to get Charlotte look really sad. I was trying to get Charlotte look really sad.
Are you okay?
And then he started talking about him.
Okay, I'm not gonna film anyone being sad right now because it's just really sad. You guys, we are out to eat at Wendy's. What's wrong? Okay. Make sure you lock the door. These guys are over here. We're going for a picnic. You guys, so we are going out for a picnic. It's kind of bittersweet, basically, since the note we left off on the last, but this is like the first 24 hours without our dog. And yeah, it's sad. We had a lot of good memories with our dog. I will probably do a video. I probably will sit down later on and talk to you guys about some of the reasons like why we had to actually part with him. Because obviously you guys know us and you know how we are. We take care of our things and take care of the things that are important to us. So obviously if we made this decision, it must have been very serious for us. And yeah, so I'll talk a little bit about why. But we're just trying to get on with the day because life still goes on. And yeah, we basically had to make a good decision for him, and he's gonna be well taken care of. We have modes of ways to contact them and to see just what's up, to check up on him in general. And yeah, but this right here I guess marks like the first 24 hours without him, because this is I guess we've been without him when we've gone on vacation, but this is the beginning of like not actually having him. So
You're gonna fall back.
so we've got Wendy's. Can you want to take everything out of the bag so I can kind of see it?
Yes.
I'm gonna change her.
You gonna change her?
Alright, we have a bunch of utensils.
Chicken.
Check. I'm hungry. We have a bunch of sauces. Check. Butter and sour cream. We have a baked potato and another baked potato. One of them is mine and one of them is mine. I mean, one of them is mine. Didn't I say that? We sauces for their nuggets.
Zozo.
Buttermilk ranch.
Zozo.
And
Zoe.
bacon cheeseburger for Dad, I'm guessing. Yeah. We also got 2 nuggets.
And I've got a backpack on. All baby girl stuff is in the backpack because I opted to take it instead of the baby bag today.
baby. Jelly bomb. Jelly bomb.
We're out here, and the great thing about being out here is that no one else is out here. We are basically one with nature. I know there's one person over there. There's one person over there. But I could just change. I could change baby girl right here. Look at her outfit for the day. Only babies can get away with wearing polka dots and flowers. What do you look? What are you trying to do? No, 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 no. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stop. Zoe, I just fed you. You're not hungry. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Pretty sure it was washed last night, by the way.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, Zozo? Zozo.
Yeah.
Zoe, can I have a kiss, please? Please. Kiss? Can I have a kiss? Kiss? Can I have a kiss?
You have a knife as well.
Yes! She gave me a kiss. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you. Yes. Erin is preparing my baked potato. Oh, it looks so good. How come we didn't get a potato? You remember when you used to eat these all the time back in the day?
I really enjoy them.
How come you didn't get any?
I don't know. It was really kind of wanting some protein.
Oh, okay. I hear you. I hear you. You can have a couple bites of mine. You guys, I also brought my chicken. I brought chicken from home, and I think I vlogged a little footage the other day talking about the chicken and how versatile it is. If I find the clip, I'll interject it here because I've been loving it lately. I'm using it in different things. I'm not just using it as a chicken burger, but I'm using it like as to cut up chicken strips, or put, you can put it on salads, or you can just eat it just for some protein like I am. So what's that?
You know what potatoes there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I watched.
Mmm.
It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm. I brought my chicken.
I can't wait to eat this.
So I had one chicken breast this morning, and that these guys made yesterday, and I just brought it with me. So I had half for breakfast with half a naan, and then I had blueberries as a snack, and now I'm having a baked potato with half my chicken breast.
Hey, I think you can. Oh, it's in loving memory of parents. Oh, that's sweet. It's really nice looking fountain. So yeah, let's take a picture of this quick.
There's that candy store again. Look at right there.
Hi guys, we are at Blue Mountain Village up north. It is up north of Toronto and it is so beautiful up here. There's lots of cute little places to go to. Lots of little stores, as you can see, all around because it's an actual village. It's a resort where people come up to in the winter to go skiing and stuff, so you can see the mountains and the hills. And we are here in front of a candy shop that the kids really love. They want to go into, what's it called? The Happy Valley.
Happy Valley Candy.
Happy Valley Candy.
Mom, we're gonna go in it, okay?
No, you guys wait for Dad. Aaron went to go get espresso, honestly, because he was very cranky. He is on vacation starting today, which is really cool. However, this man needs coffee because he gets all cranky when he's not, drinking that stuff because he's hooked on it. He drinks coffee basically Monday to Friday, several times a week, and so when he's at home, he's not drinking it. So.
It says that their espresso machine is broken.
Huh?
It says that their espresso machine is broken.
Well, he's
that
not
what
going to be
Dad
drinking
read?
espresso per se. He just wants coffee.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Mick's wearing her Pokemon shirt. Pokemon!
Gotta catch them all.
Look at this monkey. Huh?
What, me?
Look at this monkey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I like his glasses. Mommy, look,
Ooh, jelly beans! They got jelly beans up there.
I
That looks really cool. Okay, we're gonna go
Mom,
in.
Mom, can I-
As soon as your dad comes out of Starbucks, he's over there.
That's the exit.
Further from Windsor than we are.
Where are you guys going?
We went northeast. Or sorry, northwest of Barrie.
Where are you going? Over to the chocolate factory? Oh, there's the mountain, guys. It's all the way over
We're not
there.
gonna climb that, right?
Oh yeah.
Right? We're not.
Yeah, we can go. We
I don't want to.
Up here, I would.
You want to climb the mountain?
saying no.
No.
I would climb up there.
Oh yeah, right. You're probably tired.
I was telling you guys to climb up there last time. And you're like,
Yeah,
no
because that was
way."
crazy. Because the kids were not gonna do it. You're right.
Would you do that?
I would do it. It's so nice here, guys. It is such a beautiful, like, resort style. I don't know. It's kind of like touristy spot, but they've got a lot of cool stores that you can find specialty things. And people are just walking around. You just lounge. People stay in these resorts and these cottages nearby and just enjoy themselves. Oh, they also have a lot of cool food stores here that you can eat at. And what was the one that we ate at last time?
Copper Blues.
Yeah, it's called Copper Blues, and it was actually
nice.
really, it was really delicious.
Hi guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to join the tribe. Subscribe.